Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be unboxing the tc-helicon GoXLR Mini. Okay, let's get to unboxing this. So, as you can see, it's all taped up very nicely because I bought this new. So, just slice open the tape. Okay, so opening this up, it's packed very nicely. There's foam on the sides. So this is the cable on the inside, and so you have the USB side here, and it goes to the port that would plug into the GoXLR Mini. Before we get the GoXLR Mini out, there's also a quick start guide here. So that's basically all that's in the box: the unit itself, cable, and manual. So here we have the GoXLR Mini, and it does have some heft and weight to it, even though this is the Mini and not the GoXLR itself, which should be about this big. It's double the size. They've just taken out all the other dials and buttons, but here you still get this unit, and it actually feels very solid. It's very nice. So you get your sliders, and these aren't motorized anymore, so you don't get as much resistance as you would say, but then with this, it does still feel very nice to push up and down. Personally, I do like physical buttons. I'm not a fan of the software type where you have to go into the software and then click with your mouse, things like that. To me, physical is still very nice to use. That's why I like using my Logitech keyboard. The buttons are membrane-like, and they are just to mute your different channels, to bleep yourself, or to just mute your own microphone. And these buttons here, they do feel quite high quality. It doesn't feel like cheap membrane plastic and whatnot. On the bottom, you're getting the mic in jack, headphone jack. On the bottom, this is where you route your cables through. And on the back, you have the XLR in, line out, the USB port for the cable that they provide, and also optical. And on the back, you can just see tc-helicon GoXLR Mini. And I really like the part where they did the X in actually cut out, so it's probably to dissipate heat. And the sides, there's also vents to dissipate all the heat. You can actually see, if I bring it up closer, I'm not sure if you can see, it's basically hollow through except for a few components on the inside. But yeah, that's what is giving it its weight, and I can't wait to set this up and try it out. Okay, one of the main reasons I went for the GoXLR Mini instead of the full-size version is because, well, pricing. This is 249 SGD, while the big one with all your bells and whistles, your playback, recording, motorized sliders, things like that, that is 549 SGD, so double the price of this and a little more. So for me, this was a more value-orientated kind of system, and I didn't really need the extra functions. So that's why I went for this one. But if you need all the other functions, you can definitely go for that one, even though I think it's mostly out of stock now in Singapore even. So yeah, just see what's in stock and what suits your needs. I'll definitely be testing this out a lot more, so I'll give a more comprehensive review later on, like maybe when I'm doing my desk setup. If just in case you haven't noticed, I do have a new PC at the back here, and I will be doing a full review and video on it. So remember, like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!